over to Phu Quoc today, onto our next island paradise after a quick pit stop in Tien. After the boat yesterday was late, so it made us miss all our connections. We missed one day, well half a day and a night on the island paradise that is Phu Quoc. Just been seeing our mates' pictures, look phenomenal. So we're just waiting for the pick up now and then ferry over. Should be there by 11, hopefully. Tien's pretty nice. There's a pervasive smell of fish and sea food right next to the night market. You might have seen that last night. And all the stalls that the night market use just get put in the little car park and they're just humming, absolutely humming. So it just stinks of shellfish. Oh, that's nice. Alright, so we're finally getting to eat something. Oh, chopsticks. And can't rave about it enough. Happy Cow. If you're vegetarian or vegan, get on Happy Cow. And we found Quan Lai. Is that right?
Possibly.
Quan Li?
Maybe.
Look it up anyway. It's a loving up buffet full of genius things that the Vietnamese can do with tofu. I'm not quite sure how the pricing works, probably per plate. It looks amazing. Come on. Try that one yet? So we've just spent a good hour and a half deliberating what to do. The sights and sounds of Phu Quoc, the beautiful nature of what to see in Phu Quoc, and we've decided to go to a wine factory instead. Yes, the Simsom Wine Factory in Phu Quoc. Come to sample their wares and to have a look around. Do the nature stuff tomorrow. Just like a wine and woodwork.
Alcohol and woodwork, I guess.
Alcohol and woodwork. In theory, nothing would go worse together.
Alcohol and woodwork.
Alcohol and woodwork. Alcohol and sharp instruments. So, the wine factory in Phu Quoc is a wine warehouse. With the factory next door, you don't actually get to go see the warehouse factory bit, but you get to see the warehouse shop, which is very nice. There's nothing more disheartening than a bunch of vegetarians walking down Restaurant Street saying no to everybody because we don't eat shark or mantis shrimp or whatever. And visually, very interesting. Little bit poor fish stuck in a tank with his own feces. Yeah, everyone's very, very determined. So. Aren't they? They're really determined.
Yes.
Yeah, right?
Sea
snake.
Oh, it's not cool, man.
No, no.
The general rule in Asia is if it moves, you can eat it. Which means there's a lot of awful shit getting eaten. It's sea snakes and sea squirts. If you don't know what a sea squirt is, check out the description. I'll put a link into what it is. Taste of urine, apparently. Really intense urine. So we're on our way to a nice little vegetarian place called the Loving Hut. Any of you Seoul or Korea people will know of the Loving Hut in Seoul. Amazing vegetarian food. Lovely little cafe style. So we're hoping it's going to be a little less heartbreaking than walking past more sea life than you could possibly imagine. Just out on display or in little tiny tubs. You know it's the real Macau when there's a table full of monks.
Yes.
So when I said earlier that the Vietnamese are absolute masters tofu, this is all tofu. This is tofu pho, so it's tofu, the consistency and look of beef. Doesn't taste like it, but it looks like beef. Tofu battered prawn. Honestly, I know a lot of you are going, oh, if it looks like what it is, why are you not just eating what it is? It's about variety. It's about presentation. It's about taste. It's about texture. It's about like having all sorts of different stuff in your mouth. It's amazing. It is a spiritual journey.
He still has nightmares about it.
Honestly, every time I think about it, my stomach jumps. It's like crushed beetles and feces and baby sick mixed together and with some Gatorade colouring. It's the worst thing I've ever eaten. Hands down. 34 years of my life, that's the worst thing that's ever gone in my mouth. But hands down.
Did you think about it?
No. Okay, travel junkies, if you like what I do here on this channel, don't forget to subscribe for all the latest travel vlogs, drone shots and adventure movies. You can catch the latest episode here and you can subscribe here. If you have any questions about the places visited in the vlog, the equipment used or anything to do with traveling in general, drop a comment below. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you Groovy Cats next time.